Hi friends, I wanted to share with you how to embed a YouTube video into your Canvas assignments without the video opening up into YouTube itself. So here are the directions. I hope this is helpful for you. I have a Flocabulary video pulled up. You would click share and then you would go to embed and copy the embedding code. And then go over to your Canvas assignments, add an assignment. We're going to name this one Flocabulary. Click on Insert or Edit Media. Go to Embed, paste your code, and then click OK. Then you're going to go down and save your assignment. And this should open it up without opening it up into YouTube itself. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you guys have any questions at all. Have a great day.